discussed yesterday?
Yes, last class we discussed about the sequence of execution, actually, what comes first, the components and stuff like that.
So irrespective of the place of the component, so it will execute in the order. Okay, if you place listener in the first, it will execute
Yeah,
first only.
okay.
Got it right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so let's see the application. Okay, let's open yesterday's recorded one. Okay, so yesterday we have recorded and we got these 5 calls for our scenario. Okay, and I got
Okay.
that one HTTP header also. I will tell you after the class.
Okay.
Okay, I found out the issue. So first we are able to we should delete the unnecessary calls or junk calls in the recorded calls. Okay.
Right.
Yeah. So after that we have to find out okay which call is used for which one. Okay. So based on our user history in the HTML format. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, some error I'm getting here. File not. Access denied. Okay, let's record again. I'm unable to load this one. I don't know why. I'm getting error. Okay, so let's record the new one.
Okay.
So have you practiced anything?
Yesterday I did.
No. So what you have to do, you have to click on login. Okay, and some any username password. Okay, see, is now directed to the home page after login, and click on logout. Okay, so go to recorder, stop it. Okay, so delete unnecessary things. Okay, so this would be our home page. So this will be our login. And we are giving username password here, right? So it should be post login. Okay, you know, right, what is post login?
No.
Yeah, post login means we are sending username password in this call, so that's why we have to use the post.
Right.
Got it?
Okay, you're just posting the
Username and password here. So this is the
yeah.
the page where this is like only you can see the username and password. That's it. Like you are clicking on login page, right? Slash login page, this one. Okay, and this one where we are sending username and password. See, this is your wish. If you want to change the names, or you can keep it like that one only.
Okay.
Yeah. So after the post login, it's like a checking page. You see, let's run this, then you will get to know clarity. Add listener view result string. Okay. See, if you don't know what is page, go to HTML and see that one. Okay. This will be the after login page. I will tell you. Okay. Just keep it as home after login. Okay. And this one, see, in the parameter you can see logout means this is a logout call. Logout page. Okay, yeah. See, if you run this, you can see your green colors, right? So it means pass, success.
Right.
Okay, but we don't have to believe this color. We should check all the response of each call. Then only we have to believe that okay, your test case pass or fail.
Right.
Why? Because see, how it is become green or red means if server sends the code 200 success message, see, then it would be green. Even though if you are sending invalid code or invalid response, if server sends 200, then it would be a green only.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah. Can you repeat the last sentence which you said? Even though server sends.
If it is like, see, what we assume, if it's green, we can thought that okay, it's pass. If it is red, it's fail.
Right.
Yeah. See, but sometimes we have to check the response. See here, this call was failed. See, there is some error. Okay, so we are unable to log it into the application.
Right.
Yeah. So what we thought, so it should be red only, right? It's failed.
Correct.
But it is green. Why? Because this is dummy application, right? So server sells 200 for each and every code.
Okay.
Even if it is wrong, if server sends 200, then it became a green. So we have to conclude that each call is success or pass. A fail or pass means we have to check this color and we have to check the response. Then only we conclude that okay, this call was success, this call was fail, like that.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah. So we need to check the response code and
Response, in the response you have to check whether it is success. See, For suppose home page, you got some home page, right? Okay, it's good, success. For the login call,
Correct.
we should able to see. Okay, it's you can see the inbound of exception. So like memory exception, this one we have to close the JMeter and reopen it. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So we have to check the response of each call. Okay. So based on this, we can able to find out whether it's success or pass. See, now you got error, right? So here we should see our username welcome test07, but we are unable to see. Got it? Hello?
Yeah, yeah, I got it.
Yeah. So it means it didn't log into the application. That's why we can't see the username here.
Correct.
Yeah. So we need to find why this error was come. Right? So it is like
Okay.
dummy
Right.
application. You can see there is some error, some session do not match. But in the real time, you can't see any error. You will see just some pages only.
Okay.
Okay, so we should able to find out whether it's API was pass or fail. We need to check the response of each call. Okay,
Okay.
see, now how to find out the error? So now in this, see, now we have to consider these three only. We don't have to consider these two. Why? Because it was failed here, right? So
Yeah.
once it's successful, then
Yeah.
only we have to see these two
Right.
because it was executed in the sequence. No.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how you will find the errors means you have to check each call parameters what you are sending. Okay. So in the post login, just go to post login and check the parameters. So you can see here login you are sending, password you are sending is from our end only, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you can see some session ID. This is a very important concept, session ID. Okay, and the event submit. So this session ID you are not sending it, right?
No.
Yeah. So you see, that's why we have got error. Why? Because this is a server generated dynamic value.
Okay.
Okay. So it will generate it from the server.
Right.
Yeah. I will show you one diagram. So do you have any idea of session IDs?
No, I don't have.
Yeah. Okay. I will show you the one example. It's better understand clearly. So we call it as a concept called correlation. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, I will clear like.
So in load runner we call it as correlation,
No, no, no.
and in
In
genitive
we
it is
call it
session.
correlation.
Okay.
Okay, it's common name for every tool.
Oh, okay.
Okay. See, let's see. See, okay, this is the client and this is the server, right? So mainly see if you are logged into the Facebook, okay. So once you click, I have given the username and password, then you can see your page only, right?
Yeah.
So if you want to post or if you want to share anything, then if you click on share button, the post will be shared by your name.
Right.
Right. So in background, how it was doing means for our username and password, it will generate one ID.
Okay.
Okay. So once you do anything on that Facebook page, it will represent that ID only.
Right.
Okay. For example, if you take a Citibank, you know right Citibank?
Yeah, I know City.
Yeah. So if you didn't do anything, like if you put in inactive state after your login page, it will be logged out.
Right.
Yeah, why? Because they have generated one ID for you and they will put a one time. If you didn't do anything in particular time, the ID will be expired.
Right.
So once ID will be expired, you can't able to log in. Again, you have to log in it.
Right.
Okay. So the session is very important in the nowadays web application, like it's very security purpose.
Okay.
Okay, so before 3 to 4 years, everyone can access the your Citibank page. Suppose you will go to Citibank, suppose Facebook page, right? You will see like www.facebook.com/ my name Ravi Teja.
Right.
Right. So if you copy that link and if you open your browser, you can see my profile directly.
Right.
Nowadays, you can see my profile with your username.
Yes.
Yeah, but before this session IDs everything, it will be like my account only. You can access, you can hack my account directly with my that URL.
Okay.
You got the concept or not?
With the session ID, there will be a mapping for your login. This is the page which is going to be shown,
Yeah.
or this is the time it will be active and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Without session ID, there will be no security.
Yeah. So and if you click on log out, the ID will be expired. So we can't use that ID again.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. So again, if you log in again, it will generate a new ID.
Okay.
So if you again log out, then the ID will be expired. So this was security purpose.
Okay.
So see here in the recording, what we will do? We will record, right?
Yeah.
So you will do some things in our browser. So it will go to the server directly. So
Yeah.
one step. So if you give a session ID, the server sends one thing to us. Okay. So the ID was saved in our request.
Yeah.
Okay. So again, if you want to, so after the login, we will do all those things with this ABC only. See. For the first time, we'll click on home page, right?
Yes.
So this is the first call, home page. Means we are asking some session ID. In the background. I'm just telling the explanation. Okay.
Right.
The server will give the home page response and session ID with that.
Okay.
So now my client will like my client means browser and caches will store that ID.
Right.
Okay. So now after the login, you will do some search and you will click cart. Everything will be under this ID only. ABC.
All right.
Okay. Then server recognizes this ID ABC means okay. Oh, this was our ID, valid ID. So we can give the partial response. So that's why server recognizes it and it will give the whatever you want.
All right.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Same way. See what we're doing now. Now we are replaying, right?
Yes.
So what we're doing? So again, our first call, what it is, we are asking our session ID, right?
Right.
Yeah. So server will send 180 to us. Some XYZ.
Correct.
Yeah. But what we're doing, our request are using ABC, previous one.
Correct.
Why? Because it was hard coded in the script. You can see it. This is the old one.
Right.
Got it?
Yes, understood.
So now what we're doing, so our script will send with the ABC only.
Right.
But server what has given XYZ. So there will be mismatch. So server didn't give anything to us. So it will be error.
Right.
So same thing happened here. So we have using the previous ID.
Right.
We got this ID from our recording session.
Right. Right.
So now it won't work. That's why we are getting a error for that call. Sorry, sessions do not match.
Okay.
You have got the concept correlation?
All right.
Yeah. So now what we have to do, we
Yes.
have to
Yes.
use the new one value every time. Got it? So what we server is sending to us, we have to use that one only.
Right.
So how you can do that? Hello? 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 Hello?
I don't know.
Yeah, I just heard. Okay, what happened? But I can't.
How about now?
Yeah, now, right.
Okay. I'm sorry. I was actually shouting. You were not able to hear me. It was saying your network connection has been re-established now.
Okay, okay. Okay, good. Yeah. So, okay. So, how to find out that value now? Right? So, we need to find out where the server is generating that value.
Right.
Yeah. So what you have to do is you have to copy this name, Control C. So the server is generating it at this request, right?
Right.
Third one. So this value could be about 2 request responses.
Right.
See, this is the server generator value. So at which place we can see the server values in the response.
Yes.
Yeah. So if it is in the third value, this value should be in above these values in preceding request only.
Okay.
Why? Because then only we see after this executed, then only the server will generate the value. This request can use it.
Right.
Right. If the server is generated in the fourth or fifth value, the third request can't use that one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this value will be in the
So you mean to say that the value could have been generated in home page or login page?
yeah, above this request. If you have 5 requests, then we have to check for 5 request responses.
Okay.
Okay. Now right now we have one two request. Home page and login page. It should be in any page, in any request. It means, okay. We have to search it all the responses. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's go to response of first one. So these values will be hidden, right? You can't see. Got it?
Yeah.
So we have to change it to text.
Right.
So go to text. Okay, search. See, text not found. Okay,
Okay.
go to next call. See, we got the value. Okay, see, name equals session ID, right equal to value equal to. So it will give you the session value.
Right.
Okay, see, let's remember this FOFV. Again, I will run and again we will check. See, we got different value.
Yeah.
So every time if you hit this login page, you will get one new value.
Right.
Okay. See, now we need to pass this value to the our post login. Then only it will work.
Right.
Yeah. So we can't copy it and we can't paste in there.
Correct.
Why? Because again, if you run it again, we will get a new value.
Right.
So to doing this correlation, we have a concept called regular expression extractor.
Okay.
Okay. So what we are doing all this in the response, right?
Sorry?
A response means we have to use a component post processor or pre-processor.
Response means post processor.
Yeah. So go to see we got this value in which request login page request, right?
Yeah.
So go to this login page, right click, add post processor, add regular expression extractor.
Okay.
Okay. So see now I got this one. So what is regular expression extractor? Do you have any idea what is regular expression?
Which is common, which is repeating.
No, it's like to find out some patterns.
Pattern. Yeah,
Yeah.
pattern.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I will prefer one website for this one. To understanding this one, if you want, you can write note down the website name regexer.com.
Okay.
Okay, here we can see the C sheet. Just go to C sheet. That's it. Just go through this and you will get clarity.
Okay.
Okay, see simply, I will use one generic expression. So with that expression, you can implement 95% of the value.
Okay.
Okay, see, let's see. Suppose we have, see, you can see dot means any character except a new line, right? So dot represents means any line, like all the words.
Right.
Okay, if you give slash w means it will represent, then it will represent all the words.
Yeah.
Okay, so d means all the numbers,
Right.
right? If you give s means all the white spaces.
Right.
Okay, so just go to this, you will get it. Okay, so I will use generic expression. That's it. So you can see here, angular brackets means a capture group, means one
Yeah.
word. Okay, so I will use this expression dot plus question mark.
Right.
Okay, this is my generic expression. You can get everything with this expression.
Okay.
Okay, and there is one difference between this expression and this geometry expression. Suppose, let's see, if I write name equal to Ravi. Okay, so if I write here name equal to, so I want to fetch the Ravi value. Okay,
Right.
See now, this expression covers this whole thing. But I need to fetch only Ravi only. I don't want to name.
Okay.
So, but how JMeter will do is, JMeter will fetch this value only, dot plus question mark value. What is representing here? It's representing Ravi.
Right.
So, JMeter will fetch this value only. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So, just go through this 1 hour you have free time. Okay? So,
Okay.
now what we have to do? Now we have to fetch this value, right? Every time we will get a new value.
Yeah.
So what we're getting new value, we need to pass that in the post login call.
Yes.
So what I will do is, I will copy this whole line. Okay, Control C, go to Notepad. Okay, so we need this value only, right? Under this codes. Okay, so
Yes.
just replace this value with triangle bracket dot plus question mark. Okay, so now this will be the our regular expression for the above value. See, I'm just replacing the value what I want with the dot plus question mark. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we need to check whether it is valid or like whether it will get the values or not. Right? We need to test
Okay.
it. So just copy this whole expression. Control C. Okay. So we in the listener you can see the test, right? So we have one option called regular expression texture.
Okay.
Click that one. And you can see the regular expression here. So just give this expression and test it. See, you got the match count 1. Okay. So what you frame the your regular expression value, you will have to give here. Then test it whether it was fetching the values correct or not. Okay. See now you need to understand what of 10, what of 1 of 1. Okay, so 1 of 0 means your complete expression with the value replacing dot plus question mark. You can see input and say I didn't give I here, input name, stationary type, hidden value, and dot plus question mark. You see the whole value. You're getting it?
Right.
Yeah. So in the 1 of
Yeah.
1, you will.
But we need to pass only the whatever within the codes to the next call, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. In the 1 of 1, you will see the dot plus question mark value only. We want this value only.
Okay.
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 Suppose if I write an expression like this, see, I will remove all those things. Okay, I just written the, now I test it. See, now I got 4 matches. Got it? See, 4 matches means you can see 1 of 0, 1 of 1 means 1 value, 2 of 0, 2 of 1, 3 of 0, 3 of 1, 4 of 0, 4 of 1. So, for this expression, we got 4 matches totally. See, here 1 of 0 value equal to in code search. So, it fetched this one. And this is our session ID and value got login and value is capital login. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So with this also we can able to pass the value, but we always prefer the match count should be 1 only. Why? Because see, if you use this some second value, right? We have got this session in the second value. Yes. You are getting it right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, so if you use this, see here in the regular expression extractor, you can use the match number. Okay. If you give 2 here, then this expression extractor will pick up the second value.
Okay.
Okay. But see, if I give 2 here and developer changes something in the code, okay, and I got this value in the first position,
All right.
then I will get error.
Right.
So to avoid those of issues, we have to write the expression such that we should get match count 1 only.
Okay.
Yeah. So how we will get match count means for our expression we need to extend left boundary and right boundary.
Okay.
Okay. So we will add each and every word for our line. So we got this one right. This is our line. Okay. So
Right.
now we'll add this type hidden to my expression. Let's see what will happen. See, still I got two values.
Right.
So, but I need to fetch single value. So what I will do, I will add this value. You can add a single letter too, unique one. We should get the expression should be unique one.
Right.
Yeah. See, with the regular expression only, we can have to do in the JMeter. Without this, we can't do anything. Okay.
Okay.
So we got the one. So this is perfect one. And in this one of one, we should see this values only. We can't should see the comma or any extra characters in this one of one.
Okay.
Okay. So now this is our expression. Let's copy this, go to our regular expression extractor and place in this expression.
Right.
Okay. So now you can reference name. Reference name is the name. You can give any name according to your wish. So I will give society. Okay. So what is this name is? This expression will pick up the value right here. Is one of one.
Yeah.
So this value will be stored under this reference name.
Right.
You can give a whatever you want. You can give any name. Okay.
Okay.
So match number would be we have only one, right? So we'll give one count only.
Right.
Okay. Now default value. Default value means if this expression didn't find any value from the response, then this value will pass to the request. I will tell you. Just no remember that. Now I will give not found. You can give anything here. Failed. A value not found. It's not working. Something you can give anything. Okay.
Yeah.
So this template I will tell you the later. Just remember this template should be dollar of one of dollar. Okay. So what we are doing is, so we are fetching the one our value session value from this expression, and we keeping this value in this name, reference name. Okay.
Okay.
So now our new value every time we run the script, the new value will be under this aside.
All right.
Right. Now we need to pass this value to wherever we want.
Right.
Okay. So where we need this value in the post login. Right? Yeah. So here just remove this thing. So in JMeter, if you want to do parameterize the variables, then you need to use the one configuration like dollar flower braces. Okay. So in the JMeter, anywhere in the JMeter component, if you want to pass some parameter to the from some one place to another place, you have to use this format dollar of braces the name. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Now, so in the browser, this value will be passed through cookie and cache manager only.
Okay.
Right. See now if I run the script, So let's change to HTML that we can see better. See, still we are getting error. Even though we are passing the new value, you can see the request here. See, we got some value right here.
Yeah.
Let's copy this. So this value should be in the my above response. That's it.
Right.
Yeah, let's search this value. See, you can find it clearly. So what we are getting from the above value, we are sending that same to our request. But still it is failing.
Correct.
So why? Because we didn't add a cookie and cache manager. So let's add config element, cache manager, and add cookie manager. Okay. Now see.
Okay.
See? Now you can see login page, login okay. See, our home after login, you can see the name welcome test 007.
Okay.
And you can see logout page, logout okay. Now you got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is the regular expression extractor where it will pick up the value from this expression and store in this reference B. So we are passing that name to wherever we want through this format. So how JMeter will pass these values means it will pass through the cache and cookie manager.
Okay.
So in this performance testing, we have to depend on this one only. Without this, we can't do. Why? Because we are not using any UI, right?
Yeah.
So we will based on this one only. Without this, we can't do any performance testing.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this would be the regular expression extractor.
Okay.
Okay. See, you know what is the reference name, you know what is the expression, you know what is the match number, and you know default value. See, let's see. If I give some dummy expression here, okay. So let's run now. What you can see is request. See, not found
Right.
because we have given dummy expression, so it didn't pick up any value.
Right.
Okay. And if you do match comma 2 here, let's see now. Let's change the expression. See, not found. Why? Because for this expression we got only one count. Got it?
Yeah.
So 2 means second value, 3 means third value. Okay. See, let's give this value only and we will go 2 here. You know, right? If you give this value, we got 4 matching count.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's see. See, you got the now session ID. Okay. Suppose let's give here 3. See, we got the login. Why? Because let's go to regular expression vector value equal to not plus question mark. See, you got 4 counts. If you give 3, it will pick up this login value. If you give 4, it will pick up this capital login. If you give 1, it will become search. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Okay. So I will tell you template this tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. So you should do the practice with regular expression extractor.
Okay.
Okay. So let's try for SourceForge.NET application.
And also, can you ping me that regex or
Yeah.
whatever you will?
Okay. So what you have to do is you have to go to sourceforce.net. Okay. So just record it, home page, login page, and log out.
Okay.
Again, replay the script. Again, you will fail. It will be failed due to session IDs only.
Okay.
Now you are able to find out where the session ID could be, how you need to fetch that value.
Okay.
You got the right? What is the assignment?
Yeah, I will do it as an assignment.
Yeah. So if you have any doubt, just ping me at any time.
Okay, sure.
Okay, I will on the Skype. I'll help you. So okay. So let's. What about? I will tell you about the HTTP address.
Okay.
Yeah. See. So there will be one already default in the Apache JMeter.
Okay.
I will show you that bug also. Okay. So there is already raised one bug with them. So they have provided one solution to that. Okay. So just go through this link, you will get to know. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. I was on mute and I don't know.
Okay. So just go to this, you will get it. But as of now, without the HTTP caption, you will get an issue only.
All right.
Okay. To avoid this issue, we have to use the there will be one XML file. You need to compile that XML file, then you won't get any error.
All right.
Okay. So just go to this link, you will get to know clearly. Just have ping you right.
Oh, right.
Okay. But make sure that you should finish the assignment from as of tomorrow before the tomorrow class.
Okay, sure.
Then only we'll get more doubts. Then I will clarify clearly. Then only we can proceed to the further classes.
Sure, yeah.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
See you. Bye.
Bye-bye.